Haven't got ClipChamp installed on your computer, there's a link in the description telling you how to use it online. So if I go to create new video, import media, so if I go to pictures, select any random thing, then click the plus sign and we'll add it, and then import media. We go to another directory and then go to additional editing material wherever you got your green screen. So now I'm going to add that. I'm going to move the blade. I'm going to add that to the timeline above. This has got to be on the above the green screen. So if I tap on effects and then go to green screen, you can see the green screen's working. So I produced this green screen using Canva. It's not a normal green screen effect. At the end of the video, there's more tutorials on how to use ClipChamp. Please like and subscribe.